guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is the monthly spread that I promised everyone I would do for Saturday. So this is the February one I'm going to do, so let me go ahead and just take it out of my planner. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do first is put down some paper. Now, I picked up this paper you can get this at Dollar Tree if you want these little papers, and they're really cute, but I didn't decide to use that one. I went to Target's Dollar Spot, and for $3, I got this, and it just has the prettiest paper for Valentine's Day. And I didn't need a lot of it, so this will work out very nicely. Then from Target's Dollar Spot, I have an array of washi. I don't know which I'm going to be using, but I have a bunch of different ones from there. I have Dollar Tree's pen, and all the washi from Target Dollar Spot is $1. And then I have this heart stamp and ink from Target's Dollar Spot. And then from Dollar Tree, I have some cards that I'm going to be incorporating into that. So let's start planning, okay? What I'm going to do first of all is I took this envelope and I measured it out, and I'm just going to cut it to go down here on the side where it says notes. Okay, and I decided that I would use this, and this is just the envelope that came with this card from Dollar Tree. Okay, I'm going to use that there, and then I've decided I've picked these two papers, and I'm going to put them in here, and I just marked on them where I need to cut them as well. And it's easier if you flip them over and cut them on the back, then you can see exactly where you need to cut them. Okay, so we have that done. Now I'm just going to, I think I'll put this up here where it's blank, and this down here where it's blank, and it'll give us a little bit of color. But I'm going to write several things down, so I really want a lot of room to be able to write, because the monthly spread sort of keeps me more in track of what I need to do. Okay. Then I'm going to put the hearts up there because I really just don't want the pastels up there together. You could do that if you wanted. I think I like a little bit more color. So I am going to do it this way. But you can make your monthly spread as colorful and as filled up with stuff as you want, or you can make it very, very simple like I'm going to do. It's just entirely up to you and your preferences. Okay, I think that's looking really cute. Okay, so I think I'll take this washi and just put it right down through here. Okay, I'll put that there, and then I think I will put it I may just go ahead and put this along the bottom as well. good. Okay. I may put this little washi up here at the top. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like that. Oh, I really like that. That is cute. And I think I will continue that right over here. And then I think I'll pick back up with this and take this right up through here, like this. To just under that. Okay. I like that. And then I'm going to put this right here, and then we're almost ready to put our stickers in and write everything down. And I might go ahead and put this right here because I'm really liking this set off like this. Okay. I think I'll put it right here too. That's the wonderful thing about crafting. As long as you like it, it's great. Oh, that is cute. I really do like how that's turning out. I like it. And so far, we've just used a little bit of paper and some washi. Okay, so what I'm going to do is when you get these dimensional cards, some of them you just peel like that and they'll come off. And like I said, I got this at Dollar Tree. And I think I will put it kind of right about here, like it's just blowing in. I think that's cute. Okay, then I had another card that I just cut out, Be Mine, and I just cut it out. And I think I'm going to try to put, let's see, I could point it to Valentine's Day, but I might have a lot to do on the 22nd, I don't know. I think I'll just do it like this for now. Put that there, and then just put some glue down. I love that. That looks really cute. Now let me write down what I need to do, and we'll probably put some more embellishments on this, but let's look. Okay. Okay, for right now, that's the only thing so far, February, that I'm going to put in this for now. So let's just look at our stickers and see what we might want to put on here. I think I'm going to keep it kind of simple. Here's some of these Dollar Tree stickers. I really like them. So I love the little envelope. I think that's cute. And the little lips, I think, are really cute. Oh, let's see. Let me just stick that in there too. And while I'm on a roll, I'll probably just put something down here. I think I'll put, I'll drop this one down here. Probably right there. And then for Valentine's Day itself on this, I think I'll just put a little sticker here. I'm not likely to forget Valentine's Day. Alright, and let's see. I think I will get into these. And I will put this one right here. Because like I said, I don't want to put a whole lot down through here because I'll probably be writing some things on this to kind of keep me on track. So put a couple more and that will be it. Maybe I'll put something like, maybe right here. I don't know though. I think I'll do it about like this. It's looking cute. I think I'm going to put a couple stickers over here and that will be it. I'll put this one right here. And I think I'll take one of these from Dollar Tree. And put it right there. Okay, let's put it back in my planner. But you can see it turned out really, really super cute. I love it. And it, you can, like I said, you can put as many stickers on it as you want. Or you can leave it relatively, you know, it's not, I wouldn't say plain, it's very adorable, and then you can fill in everything that you like. But I really like how this turned out. I love doing monthly spreads, and this is sort of where I keep all my go-tos, what I have to do, because I do better if I can look and see the whole month at a glance. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.